Convicted killer Scott Peterson continues his fight for a new trial more than 20 years after being convicted of killing his wife Lacey and their unborn son. Today's hearing was the first of a series of motions his new defense team filed in San Mateo Superior Court. KCRA 3's Michelle Bandur explains today's arguments that deal with protecting witnesses in this case.
The LA Innocence Project says witnesses who could potentially testify for convicted killer Scott Peterson are fearful of police and public retaliation and ridicule. Today's hearing focused on keeping those names confidential, but the prosecution says they don't even know who those witnesses are. And although today's hearing was uneventful here in the San Mateo Superior Court, legal experts say this hearing is needed in the entire process of getting Scott Peterson a new trial.
And do we have your consent to appear via Zoom this morning?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you.
Scott Peterson, now 51, listens virtually to arguments from the Mule Creek State Prison, where he's serving life without parole for the murder of his wife Lacey and their unborn son on Christmas Eve 2002.
The motion to seal that's before the court is pretty straightforward and simple.
Peterson's new lawyers want the court to seal the names of witnesses, keeping them private. The motion states Mr. Peterson is simply attempting to protect these witnesses from media harassment and to preserve any material information and memory they may still have from contamination by pressure from outside sources. But the judge noted names are not revealed in public record, they're redacted.
What is it exactly that you're seeking the court to seal, since everything that is in the record already has the redactions that you're looking for?
We're just asking for those redactions to be kept in place.
Ultimately, the defense agreed to withdraw the motion and exhibit of redacted names, essentially keeping witnesses confidential.
And in some ways, it was an unnecessary motion.
Legal analyst Paula Canny says even though nothing changed in the case, this hearing is important in the long run of Peterson's fight to be exonerated.
It's all these baby steps that have to be done properly before you reach the culmination, which is going to be a defense's motion for a new trial.
Peterson will be back in court May 29th for a hearing on DNA motions. The defense says there is evidence that has never undergone DNA testing, and legal experts say this hearing is important in Peterson's quest to be exonerated. In Redwood City, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
Thank you, Michelle. And the lawyers also went over some housekeeping matters today, discussing how to get a large amount of evidence back and forth to each other.